And our Lord lesson 12:1 for our daily verse. We're now at Exodus chapter 23 in verse 14 up to verse 19. Celebrate, the Lord said, celebrate 3 festivals each year in my honor. Celebrate the festival of thin bread by eating bread made without cheese, just as I have commanded. Do this at the proper time during the month of Abib, because it is the month when you left Egypt. And make certain that everyone bring the proper offering. Celebrate the harvest festival each spring, when you start harvesting your wheat, and celebrate the festival of shelters each autumn when you pick your fruit. Your men must come to these 3 festivals each year to worship me. Do not offer bread made with cheese when you sacrifice an animal to me, and make sure that the part of the animal is born that same day. Each year, bring the best part of your first harvest to the place of worship. Don't boil a young goat in its mother's milk. So, this passage is about the feast that is celebrated by the nation of Israel during their time, during the Old Testament time. It is true that we can we can no longer celebrate those festivals during here now at our modern time or modern days in this modern world, because it's outdated. Yet we as a Christian, we still celebrate festivals, right? And why do we celebrate festivals? We celebrate festivals because we give glory and thanks to God. It's in an act of thanksgiving unto the Lord. So, even us as a Christian, we practice the so-called thanksgiving, and it happens once a year. We do it once a year. So, of course, we do it. Why? Because in every victory, there must be a celebration, isn't it? And God allow you to be victorious. So, there's no reason for you not to celebrate His goodness, His greatness, and His power unto your lives, right? So, just celebrate the Thanksgiving. Okay?